Welcome back to the tiny shop build, or the little farm shop built out of an old shed or old chicken coop. I think the last video you saw was this door going in right here. So we've moved on, a lot has been done. Electrical's complete. Now we did electrical a while ago with our electrician when House of Pie, our other barn that way, and Cassie's Castle all got redone. We brought electrical into here. We did have to do a couple little upgrades, a little moves, but that's all done. Insulation is going in. That whole back wall is all insulated now, all the way up to the ceiling. Now today, we're staining these beams. We're gonna try to make them look a little rustic, a little old, and then we move on to putting in some walls. It's coming along pretty good. Look at that wood up there, nice and dark. Look at this stain, beautiful. It's starting to dry, so it's starting to look great. Now it's time to move on to a little cleanup. I gotta clean up this place, it's a mess, and then I think I'm gonna move on to putting wood on this wall. Today was just cleanup. It's all clean now. Light fixtures are here. We covered up all the wood and brought it over here. Tomorrow we start walls. Today's gonna be a beauty. Doors, I mean not doors, oh my gosh, I'm so lost. Walls is today. Today is walls. Tomorrow is whatever I didn't get done. And the day after that is gonna be ceiling and then electrical. But we also have stone being delivered for the base of the patio. And here it comes right now, down the road, it's on the way. So off the back of the store is gonna be a little patio so you can go out and see the goats. You're not with the goats, but you're in a little patio and you can pet them if they come up to the fence. So this is the crushed stone, 22 tons of a crushed concrete, old driveways. It's actually recycled, not driveways. Old sidewalks that are recycled and crushed into little pieces, and that's gonna go down as the base, and then on top of the base will be the nice stone, but he's on his way down right now. That's a lot of material. I've actually never ordered a full load, but at $16 a ton, and what I needed compared to a full load was only like an extra 40 bucks. Pay for delivery once and get the whole load. All paid for, and here, the next, we have to move it all the way up that way to the other side of the red building out there where the little patio is gonna go. So it'll be a bucket of stone, down that road, around the chickens and ducks, into the patio, and then back, and then back, and then back, and then back. Before I even start the walls, I'm gonna play out here in the patio area. So this is gonna be the patio area, and I've gotta rip some of this stuff up. Some of it's still even frozen solid. We've got cinder blocks and things. We've got the tractor backhoe out right here, and we're gonna start cleaning all this up to get this whole area ready for goat viewing. This is the goat viewing area. You're gonna hang out here, say hi to goats, stuff like that, without actually going in with the goats. That's the plan. Time to get to work. Still going. Look at that, that wall's pretty much done, and then we're working on that wall. Almost down to the corner. It's going good. That's it, it's about 4 o'clock, we're calling it a day. Like I said, we finished this whole wall. We're up to that corner. We're gonna call it quits now. We did enough.
you're gonna hit subscribe and follow so you can continue to follow the progress for the tiny farm store. Kind of like a tiny house, but it's a little shed turned into a farm store so we can sell our soaps, lotions, things like that. Hit subscribe and follow below, and hopefully you enjoyed this part of this process. You know, it's tedious. It's on and on and on and on. But then we get to the ceiling soon, and electrical in the ceiling, hang the lights. It's gonna start looking good. Hopefully, we'll see you guys in the next video.